And hello everyone, I've got a different kind of video review going up today for you all. I actually have the sustainable microfiber makeup remover pads by the brand Clear Pads. This is something I would normally never really do, but you know what? I really wanted to give it a go. So as you can see here, I've literally got a face full of like foundation. I never wear foundation, but I really wanted to give these pads a try. So all you have to do is literally just use plain water. You can obviously use micellar water, makeup remover, but literally this is getting rid of everything that is on my face right now with just plain water. So below me is obviously the sink. So every time like you kind of see me just going for it, it's basically just I'm using normal plain warm water. But as you can see, it removes my makeup so quickly. It normally takes me quite a while, especially if the foundation has been sitting on my face all day. Like this normally takes a good while, but this is just coming off just on the first wipe. It's absolutely incredible. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Well, not even what it looked like basically how it works with a full face of, I can't say full face of makeup, but full face of foundation, really. It's just coming off super, super easy. It's so soft on my skin. It's even suitable for sensitive skin, which is absolutely amazing. They're also recyclable, which is a great thing too. So just say once you're done with it, it's all good. So as you can tell, like my skin is feeling so soft right now and there is no residue. Now, to put it to the test a little bit, I decided to use 3 different lip colours just to see how well they would be removed. Once again, I'm just applying water. This time it's from like a little bottle that I didn't show. And this is normally quite a hard lippy to remove. And as you can tell, it's just being removed so quickly and so easily just with water. I'm so impressed. It's unreal. And also the great thing about these pads is you can actually reuse them up to 200 wash cycles. And actually each pad replaces up to 500 makeup wipes as well. So this is incredible. Like you can use it over and over. I just had to go for a bit of a more pigmented lip color just to see how well it can remove it. But yeah, so this is just amazing in terms of saving on makeup wipes, saving on cotton pads, and just being kinder to the planet, to be honest. So I'm really, really happy about that. And as you can tell, it wipes off so quickly and so easily. And like I said, it's so gentle on your skin as well. And once again, no residue. Woo. Now this one is a tough colour, I have to admit. It's one colour I hardly ever wear because it is such a tough colour to remove. And we're going to see again. Super, super easy, super, super quick. Now here is where it's going to get interesting. I really want to see if it actually removes my clay mask quite easily. And normally I have to use a really thick flannel to do so. But as you can see, it's just wiping away super, super easy. Like really, really easily. Normally I would have to spend a good couple of minutes wiping my face down until it's pretty much red to get rid of all of it. But this is just removing it so quickly. I absolutely love it. And once again, I'm literally just using plain water, plain warm water to help remove this. I cannot praise these enough.